The W on 3rd Street in San Francisco. Just checked in to a high floor. This is a disabled person's room or American with Disabilities Act room, so it's going to be laid out a little bit differently than most rooms. I actually like how big the bathroom is. There's a lot of area to move around in, so that's nice. So there's the products from Bliss. Nice shower head up there. Everything looks very clean. And the sliding glass door, which is kind of cool. Then we have double beds. Cool setup. I like the gold backdrop and the headboard. It's nice and cushioned. And you have multiple USB ports along with multiple actual full power ports on each side, and a JBL speaker for use. And then the view obviously is amazing. We'll get to that in just a second. Here's some bar products that they have available. Of course, everything is additional, so you gotta watch those fees. And here we are in San Francisco, California, just feet away from Metreon and the rest of the city downtown. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. It is Travel Tuesday. I want to thank Huawei for the trip to San Francisco for the day. All right, I'll leave you with this view. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, 24K as well.